Hey, it's Lars Hauwert here and welcome to this video. So there's one product type that you'll never want to sell when you're dropshipping, and you should avoid it like the plague because it almost always loses you money. So let's talk about what this product looks like. So if you don't know who I am yet, I'm Lars. I've grown my own dropshipping store, Nancy Home Store, to around $9 million in sales, and now I'm helping other e-commerce store owners to essentially do the same thing. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the product that you always want to avoid selling nowadays with dropshipping is low ticket products that don't have a subscription model or are bought in bulk. Things like $15 kitchen gadgets or like cheap $10 phone cases or like any of those funny gadgets that go viral on TikTok and look great and rake in tons of views are just not going to cut it anymore nowadays. Because let's break down the math, right? Because of the rising CPMs on Facebook and Google, you'll definitely need to spend at least $50 to $150 to acquire a customer. So how are you ever going to make money on a $10 phone case? Then after that, you've got your cost of goods, you've got your shipping costs, you've got your Shopify fees, credit card processing, you've got returns, customer service if you have a rep dealing with customer service. So you'll need to have at least an average order value of $200 in my opinion to have a shot at making your e-commerce store work. Now, the only way that you can make a low average order value product work is to either have a big organic audience, so it doesn't cost you any money to promote the thing, or if it's cheap product that you're able to sell multiple at one time. For example, socks are very cheap, but people generally buy multiple socks at once, multiple sets of socks, so then it's still fine. Or if it's a subscription-based product like supplements, where people like to subscribe for like monthly supplements for them, then your average order value is low, but your lifetime value will be very good. So then you can still make it work, but all the other cases where like that's not the case, then I don't see a good way to make it work, honestly. So what to sell instead is high average order value products like home goods or furniture. So this is what I've sold as well for many years, and it served me really well because even if you're not the greatest at running ads, you can still make it work really well because you just have so much wiggle room and so much margin to play with essentially. So if you combine having a really good optimized Shopify store, you have very good ads running, and you have a solid margin on every product that you sell, then there's no way that you're going to lose long term. So if you want to survive and even thrive with your e-com store in 2025, then make sure that you have a good average order value and that your math works before you even start selling this product that you try selling. So this is the way that I've basically done millions and millions in sales, and I want you to do the same, of course. So be sure to implement this. So if you have any questions about this or you have a specific product in mind, feel free to leave a comment down below if you have any questions so I can answer them for you. I read all the comments myself. And also there's a link in the description you can check out if you want to know a bit more about how we help e-commerce stores to grow. I don't mind if you click it or not, honestly. I just hope that you're not going to sell low ticket trash products anymore and you start to make some money on your orders. So thank you so much for your attention, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.